Welcome back to the channel. I am Saurabh. In this video, we are starting something exciting. Your very first step with Trello. If you have never used Trello before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your account, log in, and navigate the home page with confidence. I will show you how to sign up for free, set up your inbox, and explore your very first Trello board, all in one, just in a few simple steps. You will also get a sneak peek at some handy features you will unlock with Trello's premium drive, like advanced checklist, timeline views, and even an AI-powered planner. So if you have been waiting to take control of your project and level up your productivity, this is the perfect starting point. Let's dive in and create your very first Trello account together.
Hello everyone, you're at the start of an exciting journey with Trello. Welcome! Even if you've never used Trello before, you'll be glad to know it's completely free and works right from your web browser with an internet connection. Though desktop and mobile versions exist, I'll be using the web-based Trello with Chrome throughout this course. You can also follow along using Safari or Firefox. Now to get started. So here I am on Google. Let's simply type here Trello and hit enter. Now we will go ahead with the very first link, which is Trello.com. So just click it. Now click on the blue button, Get Trello for free. Here all you need is an email address to set up your account. So just enter your email and click on the sign up button. Now they will ask what brings you here. So I am just going to click on skip. You've just landed on the inbox introduction screen, one of the first stops in Trello's new user onboarding experience. At the top, you'll see a message that says, "Welcome to Trello, meet your inbox." This is where Trello introduces a helpful feature designed to keep your to-dos organized. What is the inbox? It's a dedicated space where you can add tasks, reminders, or ideas. These items can be created manually or automatically imported from other apps as cards. Think of it as your centralized task collection area, like a personal task inbox. On the screen, there's a clean preview of what your inbox might look like, currently empty but ready for action. On the right side, you'll notice Trello's mascot Taco the Husky greeting you with a friendly, "Hey, I'm Taco," a fun little touch to guide you through the interface. Now let's click on Continue. Now that you've been introduced to your Trello inbox, let's explore how you can add cards to it. Not just manually, but automatically using different apps. At the top, you'll see the message, "You can also add cards to your inbox with apps." This means Trello lets you capture tasks and ideas from multiple sources and centralize them in one place, your inbox. Let's break down the options shown on the right. Email, you can forward emails directly to your Trello inbox. By sending or forwarding messages to a special Trello email address, a card will automatically be created inside your inbox. Mobile app. If you're on the go, you can use Trello's mobile app to quickly add new tasks to your inbox from your phone. Slack and Microsoft Teams. Trello also integrates with popular team communication tools. With just a few clicks, you can turn Slack messages or Microsoft Teams conversations into actionable cards in your inbox. This flexibility helps ensure that you don't miss any important to-dos, no matter where originate. Again, I click on Continue. Now welcome to the heart of Trello, your very first board, where you'll begin organizing all your to-dos. At the top, you'll see the message, "Now here's your first board," where you'll organize your to-dos. Trello boards are like digital whiteboards where you manage projects, tasks, or anything you want to keep track of visually. To help you get started, Trello has automatically set up 3 lists. Today for tasks that need immediate attention, this week for anything scheduled in the next few days, later for tasks you want to deal with in the future. These lists are just suggestions, and as the little speech bubble from Taco the Husky points out, boards and lists are fully customizable. You can rename them, reorder them, or add as many as you need to fit your workflow. To move forward, click the Continue button and you'll begin working inside your board. Now before that, first verify your email. Okay, once your email is verified, then just enter your email ID and password to log in. Great, you've just landed on your first Trello board, and as a bonus, you're starting with a Trello Premium trial. In the center of the screen, you'll see a pop-up message letting you know that your workspace has been upgraded to Trello Premium for free for the next 14 days. No credit card required. This premium trial gives you access to several powerful productivity features, including advanced checklists, timeline and calendar views, unlimited boards and automations, list and card colors, card mirroring, and the AI planner, which is available in full during the trial. You'll also see an option to extend your trial up to 30 days by adding payment method, but that step is completely optional. Once you're ready, just click the blue button that says Go to your first board to start exploring all of these features in action. Now let me zoom the screen a little bit for a better view. At the top of the starter guide list, you'll see a video card titled New to Trello. Start here. Clicking this will take you to a short Loom video tutorial that introduces how the new Trello inbox works. It's the perfect starting point if you're unfamiliar with Trello or want a refresher on how to organize your work effectively. This is the Loom video player that opens when you click the first card. The video, just over a minute long, is a quick walkthrough of Trello's new inbox feature, narrated with a clear, friendly tone.
I'm trying to get something done, and then this happens.
The speaker explains how Trello's AI-powered inbox helps you manage incoming messages by turning them into actionable cards. Messages from Slack or emails can be forwarded directly to your Trello inbox. The AI helps populate card details and organizes them neatly. You'll also hear how small notes like meeting changes or reminders can be sent straight into Trello using voice commands or integrations. So just like the #1 video on the topic New to Trello, start here. There are other videos also. You can go through with them for a better understanding.
And that's it. You have just created your very first Trello account and taken a tour of the homepage. You now know how to log in, use your inbox, and start organizing tasks on your first board. This is the foundation of everything we will build on in the upcoming lessons. But here's the truth, Trello is just one piece of modern project management. If you want to go beyond the basics and learn how to combine project management tools like Trello with the power of generative AI, then check out our complete course Generative AI for Project Management on NirvanSkills. And here's something exclusive for you. If you are serious about becoming a future-ready AI-driven project manager, drop a comment down below with the word AIPM. I will send you an exclusive guide that shows you exactly how to build your career in project management from scratch with AI at your side. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson where we will dive deeper into the Trello features and how to apply them to real projects. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.